evening, everyone. On behalf of State Bank of India, I welcome Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant and CEO of Goa CSR Authority, Shri Hemant Kumar, and Dean of GMC, Shri Shivanand Bandekar. The SBI is privileged to be associated with Government of Goa in this noble cause of installation of the biggest tank at the premium GMC hospital. It was because of the support of the State Authority and CSR Authority that we were able to install this oxygen tank well in time. So this pandemic has changed our outlook towards the life. So SBI has always been associated with the various CSR activities. We believe in giving back to the society where we operate. So last year you sir among us, and I once again thank Honorable Chief Minister and CEO of Goa CSR Authority for choosing SBI for this noble cause. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Madam. I now request our Chief Guest and Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant to say a few words.
State Bank of India Hajavati CSR Hajavati UP Kaur Hangasar Asat Abjad Dean of Goa Medical College Dr. Bandekar Asat DGM Mr. Naveen Kumar Gupta Abjad Hemant Kumar CSR Authority के in charge rest all SBI चे सगळे officers